There are over 7 billion people on the planet. And more than half of them use social media in one form or another. We use it to share our memories in the form of pictures and videos. Some of us do it occasionally, and some of us do it almost every day. But what if I told you that those videos are actually valuable, and that you've simply been giving them away? Advertisers now use videos to promote products more than any other form of media, even television. And they pay the video owners for that privilege. I don't mean professional videos either. I mean videos of holidays, pets, children, and anything else you've seen and shared on sites like Facebook. Your video of your dog or cat, or even your funny cousin could be making you money. And the best part? You barely have to change what you've already been doing. There's a platform called Rumble. They've been around since 2013, and you've seen their videos all over. Think of it as being a lot like YouTube or Facebook. Uploading to Rumble is as simple as creating a channel and dragging and dropping your videos. Doesn't that sound like what you're already doing? You pick a title, create a few paragraphs, select a thumbnail, and then watch Rumble do the rest. They place ads on your video for you. They have a large audience on the Rumble platform, and they market your video to other sites like MSN, Yahoo, AOL, and even their own Rumble Viral YouTube channel that has almost 1 million subscribers. They help you reach a massive audience. Then you watch your video, put money in your pocket. There's nothing more to do. You can even put the same video on your own YouTube channel, and the bonus? Those views will collect you money, even if your channel has been demonetized by YouTube. It's money for what you've already been doing for free. There's no cost, there's no catch, there's no risk, and it's not hard to do. Rumble shares the ad revenue with you. They give you 60%, the highest payout in the business, and much higher than YouTube. Rumble selects the best videos for the biggest promotion. Unlike YouTube, not every video has the same chance of being seen. The approval process is the quality control that allows Rumble to demand more money from advertisers. But it's also the most important thing to understand. You're perfectly welcome to try Rumble on your own. Simply go to rumble.com, create a channel by following the instructions, and they'll lead you through it. But there's an even better way to get the most out of your videos right away. All I ask is that you give me credit for referring you. It won't cost you a dime, and you'll have your own coach. Email me at mojo_videos@hotmail.com. I'll explain the best video length, how to write your narrative, how to select title. I can even show you how to track your earnings. The staff at Rumble will answer your questions directly too. There's even help from other uploaders in the community forum. Rumble is like nothing you've ever seen before. It's an easy way to turn your videos into cash. Email me and we can get started as soon as you like.